This video was filmed during Hurricane Irma in Miami. Throughout the whole video, we hear very unpleasant and terrible sounds. The locals later claimed it was a siren warning of a hurricane, but it changes from these sounds to an uncomfortable sound of a roaring giant monster. The man who shot this video claims that he managed to shoot a huge and terrible monster coming out of the ocean. Look carefully. Here is a black shadow for a moment as it appears near the building. What do you think it could be? In this video, off the coast of Mexico, a dense fog descended, more like a looming darkness. It does not bode well. But that is it, seen in the distance. Look. It looks like a giant snake. Is this a huge hydra? How can this be? Where did it come from? Share your thoughts in the comments. And this video was filmed in Puerto Rico. The quality of this video leaves much to be desired, but if you look closely, you will see some eerie creature with huge wings, which emits a heart-rending roar. This video was downloaded on YouTube very recently and has already made a lot of noise. Naturally, many argue that this is a fake, although others are sure that this video captures a real Godzilla.
Ty no boka nie ma. Tu też zobacz wszystko, wiesz? Na borowczyku, szybko! Borowczyką weźmie wszystko. Ja cię. Patrz co robi! No idzie na borowczyku, tam idzie!
Put your thumb up if you do not believe in all this, but still look because it's interesting. This recording is from a baby monitor cam that was installed in the room of a young child. This child is young and has barely learned to walk. He climbed on the rail of his crib and skillfully holds his balance and starts screaming hysterically. Many people who watched this video claim that the boy was possessed by a demon. A few minutes later, the boy lost his balance and fell into the crib. But it's difficult to call this just a simple fall. There is a feeling that someone invisible pushed him back. What do you think about these creatures? Who were they? Tell us in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.